we're doing the makeup challenge. So we have some 2 lipsticks and some brown brush, some white thing. So let's start our makeup. Our first makeup, our brush. So I'll make a circle like there. So I'm looking at the camera. So to do some makeup. So make it. So then make it. So we need this to. So to make it. So the next one to make it. There's a fish behind it. But interesting something like. Do you know, guys, what is this? So I'm just gonna make up like yellow pink. There's even a yellow there. Next. So guys, we're using purple. That's yellow and painting. I'm just making a funny face. What is it? I think that's like it. She has a bell. To make you beautiful, like so, like so I'm done firing. Oh, that's nothing. Again, it's brush. My hand is really good. This is the so this is my lips. Let's go makeup. So in the nose too. Oh. It's covered. Look at this. Oh, where is it? Look at this. It's already red. So that's some more. Then let's get back then mix. So this is so that's the way you look. So done with makeup lipstick time, Not the seconds. Let me fix this. Hey guys, I'm making my lips. Oh, what? It's in Omaha, dude. Yeah, where's blah, 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 blah. Oh, I was holding it. I'm blind. So we're done our mixes. Alright. So bye. See you in next part. Part 2. Oh wait. I was going to pick. So brushing. Brush time to make it weird and so I'm done. Bye. See you in next part.